Hi, it's Paul, and are you looking to start affiliate marketing with no money? Right, it's a question I get asked a lot. I haven't got any money, Paul. How can I start making money? I need to build a business. I don't have any cash up front or no money to start affiliate marketing. So, affiliate marketing is a great opportunity if you don't have any money, but it's not as simple as a lot of the videos on YouTube, for example, would have you believe. And that isn't saying that there aren't some great people out there, but a lot of them are going to tell you to go to ClickBank, Digistore, Offer Vault. These are sites where they list products that you can promote and earn a commission if somebody buys. Tick. So you don't have to buy the product yourself. Although a lot of times it's easier to promote if you do understand something about it. Okay, just to be real. But with AI now, the next thing they'll tell you to do is go and find some things that people search for, and then they'll tell you to write blog posts, and you can use AI. Make videos. Videos are really hot at the minute, so make video and incorporate your link into the posts that help. And then you get a bit more advanced, and they'll teach you about I call them hair on fire phrases, right? So if somebody's got a problem and you can show how a product solves the problem, then they're more likely to buy, right? Because you've matched it. And the hair on fire phrases, it's 3 o'clock in the morning, my hair's on fire, it's burning, I need to put it out. There's a product there that tells me it can put out hair fires in like less than a minute. I'm probably going to buy it. I'm a motivated buyer. So it's just about, it's not manipulating anybody. It's just finding the people that have got the problem that need a problem solving and are kind of motivated to do it. Problem with all that is if you're new to all of this stuff, it can be a bit intimidating, shall we say, just to keep it real. But today I've got three options for you. Three options if you're trying to start affiliate marketing with no money that I think might serve you better because often when you watch these videos, you're left with zero support. It's just like you watch the video, you join and away you go, and you try and implement it. You've got nobody to talk to, you've got no help, you've got no support. So let me show you three ways that you could potentially start with no money with things that I'm doing that are all proven, right? They're all proven. So the first one I'm going to share with you is MAP, Master Affiliate Profits. Clues in the name, right? Master Affiliate Profits. Now, if you want to get access to all these, you can head to the masterplanaffiliates.com. And in the sidebar here, look, you're going to see we've got Power Lead System. I'll talk to you about that. We've got the Home Business Academy. I'm going to talk to you about that. And we've got MAP. I might put a better banner for MAP in there. But you can see we've got affiliate marketing done for you. Click here for access. This is the first one I'm going to talk about, which is Master Affiliate Profits. So let me show you. If we come into the back office here, I've already got this set at a page for traffic training. If you're totally new to all of this, just so you understand, you need a link, right? You need an affiliate link where if somebody buys from that link, you get paid, and then you need to send traffic, eyeballs, you need to send people to go and look at that link to see if they want to buy it or not. So I've opened this page up to start with because this is what you get. You get a training on how to get traffic. So they give you a link. And what we like about MAP as well is there is only one link. It's not confusing for anybody. You just get one link. It's like, what's my affiliate link? It's there right at the top. You can't miss it, right? So you get one link, one simple link. Okay. And then you can start absolutely for free and you can still get paid if you make sales. Now, if you upgrade to some of the other packages, not only do you get more training, you can earn more commissions, but it's designed that anybody can start for nothing. So it's kind of a bit of a no-brainer. So head over to here, the masterplanaffiliates.com/home, maybe you might need to do that. But on the sidebar here, just go and open your free account with Matt. Why would it's like honestly, they don't ask for your credit card or anything like that. You can join absolutely for free, still make commissions. On top of that, as you've seen, my mouse isn't working for some reason. Try that again. Right, as you can see, you get some traffic training, and then there are other things, right? You can get. Now, if we just come back to the home page, does it work? This isn't bragging or boasting or anything like that. Okay, but this is Eric. Me and Eric, we share this account. My business partner, Eric. So you can see current commissions. It works. Now, Eric, all fair disclosure, we are platinum members on this, and you can see here, look, we've made that, but if you're a free member, you make that. Now, I know that some people that watch this video, hopefully not you, but some people that watch this video go, well, if I have to pay to earn the most money, I'm not going to even start. But if you're looking to start affiliate marketing with no money, I'm guessing you haven't got money. If you made a quarter of that, you can buy into a lot of things for that money. If you made an eighth of that, you can buy into a lot of things. But this is a good way to start if you don't have the cash or you're not willing to invest a lot of money and get some training as you go. So this is Master Affiliate Profit. And if we show you the sidebar here, you will generally get some training on most of these products for free. Okay, so you get live training, list building, email marketing, traffic training, video marketing, creating bonuses, social media, ads, banners, and graphics. You get the lot, right? There's also a Facebook group, which means you get support. All right, we'll talk about support more with one of these programs soon. So again, it's totally free. What else can I say? It's totally free. Also, you don't need to purchase an autoresponder. Every time you put somebody into your link, every time somebody sees your link and they go, well, I'll join for free, they get 90 days worth of email follow-up via an autoresponder. If you know what that is, it's basically you can set a sequence of emails up to go out automatically. Your leads get 90 days worth of follow-up done by these guys who are pros. Again, it's kind of a no-brainer, even if you just want to go and check out the training or just put the link out a few times and see what happens. So I would recommend that. Okay, moving on. The second one I'll talk about is Power Lead System. Power Lead System is not free, but you can start for free for 7 days. And what's exciting about the Power Lead System, let me just open it up here. So what's exciting about the Power Lead System is their AI aspect. Now, why are you looking to start affiliate marketing with no money? You probably haven't got money. I get that. But also it would imply to me that you have a fair degree of urgency need to make money. What Power Lead System have done, they're a 10-plus-year-old business. We know the owner, he's a great guy, right? He really wants to see you win, right? And it's been around for 10 years. So if I say it got a bit, not stale, but a bit kind of samey, and there's obviously new things coming on the block all the time that come and go, to be fair. He's stayed for 10 plus years. It's very reliable. I can't see this going anywhere. Okay. They brought it bang up to date by adding AI in that they have an AI assistant called David that if you purchase, fairly cheap traffic packages, will follow up with leads via email, which everybody does, via text messages, which is better because people can actually, more people see a text message on their phone than see an email in their email box with how many ever emails, and also phone. And also right on the page, you can actually go and talk to David, the AI assistant. So I'm not going to dwell on this one because if you haven't got any money, it's only $54 a month. Okay, but you can start free for 7 days and check it out. So again, you can come back to our blog, themasterplanaffiliates.com. Sorry, wrong one. I see, themasterplanaffiliates.com. So you can come and you can check out Power Lead System for 7 days without having to pay anything and speak to the AI on the page and see what you think. So if you're watching this, like, I want to start without money because I don't want to risk, but I have got some money. It's not a lot of money, $54. You can start free for 7 days. You don't have to buy an autoresponder. People get followed up automatically. It's all built in. And if you purchase the SMS leads, the follow-up is amazing, right? So, but definitely, Matt, for free. Next option, maybe look at Power Lead System if you're willing to, having no money means different things to different people. All right. If you're looking at some packages that charge 5K, $54 isn't a lot, right? So that might be an option. Now, the other thing I can do to help you out, if you're new to all of this, right, and this is the one with the best support. This is absolutely, hands down, the best support for affiliate marketers is the Home Business Academy. Why do I say that? So if I log in, if you are at so first of all, they have a funnel builder. And as you're going to learn about affiliate marketing, you might already know you need a funnel, basically. You need a way to collect leads, a way to follow up with those leads, and a way to kind of have your information, your promotion, your sales page somewhere. So that's generally called a sales funnel. And they do that's only $25 a month, right? And it has some great training, and once a month they do live support. They also do premium though. Now, Again, if you've got no money, you can start for $1. Most people that say they haven't got any money can join for $1. If you join, and that's for a 7-day trial of their premium product. Okay, if you join the funnel builder, you can start for $25, tick a box, and you get 2 weeks of premium free. Okay, drop a comment if you want to know more. It's a fantastic. The guys that run it are both seven-figure earners, and they are. I don't know why they do as much as they do, right? Because it's great for us, but it's a must be a massive time suck for them. Okay, so if you take the $1 trial, look, you get access to what you need to do before you, well, this is all free free traffic, right? So what should you do before you even send any traffic to your web page? So that's getting ready. Then there's free, totally free traffic sources. And I include this because if you are, trying to start with no money, but you're willing to spend $1 and you cram as much as you can in a week, if you really can't afford to continue, then look at all this down here, right? It's well worth checking out, right? Then there's paid traffic, probably not for you now, okay? And then they tell you how to convert that traffic, right? And that's not what a lot of these YouTube videos will tell you. They'll tell you just go pick a product, write blog posts, do Pinterest pictures, make video shorts, and you can use AI for this and that. But what to do before you start sending traffic and how to convert the traffic is obviously really good, right? Now, the other reason I include this in is because of this, look, get coaching, live masterminds. Um, if you just take the trial, get 7 days. So you will be able to see at least one of all of these, right? So what they do is they on a Monday night, there's the What's Working Now webinar. So what they do there is they have people that have made sales in the last week come on a call to explain what they did to make the sales. So it's always bang up to date. Always bang up to date. And this, by the way, if you like it, it pays 80% commission. So if you do want to take it on and you make one sale, you've covered 80% of your cost. If you make two sales, you're actually in profit by a decent amount, right? It's not network marketing, it's not multi-level, it's just a really cool way of doing things. So you can always stay up to date with what is working now, right? Then they also do the daily T&C Action Mastermind. Okay, so 11 a.m. EST every day, Monday to Friday, they go live and they talk marketing. And you'll often see people do marketing, right? Actually, okay, I'm going to write a blog post now. I'm going to do this now. It's if you imagine sitting in an office and just watching somebody do work, it's generally pretty boring, isn't it? Right? You're just watching somebody on a computer do stuff. And I'll be honest with you, maybe this could seem a little bit boring just the same, but it's very, very, very good. So in terms of like, if you want to know what to do, this is telling you exactly what to do. So for $1 for 7 days, you can try it. Now, when you do it, go to affiliate here. They've got the affiliate fast start training, right? How to win the most income in HBA as fast as possible with the least effort, even if you're brand new. So go through those resources, okay? Because you'll learn about affiliate marketing even if you don't want to do HBA, okay? And then I'm going to share something big with you. Come to the bonus vault, and you'll get to keep this even if you don't stay past the 7 days. Go to the affiliate marketing domination course. It's a masterclass, guys. It's a complete masterclass. So I'm sorry because it's not really strictly true that it fulfills the title of the video, how to make money, how to start affiliate marketing with no money. But if you've got $1, which most people will class as not really sort of serious money, if you're willing to spend $1, put the time aside to go through this, you will come out the other end knowing exactly how to do affiliate marketing, my friend. So there you go. So again, head over to themasterplanaffiliates.com, read some of our blog posts if you like. Okay. But this is where you can go and you can get access to those three things. Matt, no brainer. Is a complete no-brainer. What you've got nothing to lose and you can still make commissions, right? So that is like number one. Number two, I would probably go and grab your stuff for $1. Okay. Number three, you've got Powerlead system, which is kind of, you don't really need to understand affiliate marketing because everything is kind of done for you. If you can make that work for you cash-wise, money-wise, it's a good thing to do. Hope you found this video useful. I'll see you on the next one. If you want to subscribe, I keep giving you look through my old videos. I give tips. I talk about what's going on, with some of these programs and how well they're working and stuff. So by all means, please subscribe. I'd love to. You can always unsubscribe if you don't like it, but I'd love a subscriber. and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I'll speak to you soon.